Hello and welcome to this video that will introduce you to coronavirus and will also tell you what precautions to take to fight it. Coronavirus belongs to a family of viruses that cause common cold to severe disease such as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus and the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. Novel coronavirus or COVID-19 was identified in 2019 in the Chinese city of Wuhan. This is a new virus that had never been seen in humans before. After being exposed to the virus, symptoms may appear within 2 to 14 days, like cough, shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing, fever, cold, frequent jerks with chills, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, loss of taste or smell. The second wave of coronavirus has revealed some new symptoms such as gastrointestinal disease, weakness and loss of appetite, eye irritation, and difficulty in getting up. To avoid this deadly disease, maintain a minimum of 6 feet distance from any person. It is recommended that an area should be marked with color coding to maintain distance. COVID-19 spreads mainly among people who are in close contact for a prolonged period. When an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks, the droplets from their mouth or nose come in contact with the air. This is how infection spreads to others. A person can get COVID-19 by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it already. So avoid touching your face as much as possible. In times like these, face masks for everyone is mandatory. One should be wearing gloves while frisking. Thermal scanning must be done for all at the time of entering the premises. In case of any symptoms of fever, entry should be denied. As per the guidelines set by Ministry of Home Affairs, it is mandatory for all staff members to have Arogya Setu application in their phones. It is important to get vaccinated when your turn comes. Don't forget to sanitize your hands after touching any surface or object. Keep washing your hands at regular intervals. Take every precaution possible. You should know that spitting at public places can increase the spread of COVID-19. That is why there is a restriction on tobacco and related products. In times like these, it is mandatory for all to follow these guidelines. Listen to employees' concerns and notify the admin staff immediately. Food should be consumed in the designated area only. Post lunch, all the garbage should be disposed in the bin. Say no to sharing food or any other object. All staff members, vendors to be checked for visible signs of fever, cough or cold. Entry should be given only after admin's permission. During staff attendance or training, follow social distancing. Support staff must be provided with a recommended PPE kit. During COVID-19, do not use the biometric machine for attendance. For this, take permission of the admin head. Avoid using lifts. The main door should only be handled by a dedicated person. Temperature scan should be done on the site daily. Do not consume any medicine without doctor's advice. Gathering at one place is completely prohibited. Please stay at the specified location. Stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of yourself. Thanks for watching and have a good day.